Alright guys, I woke up like this yesterday. There's no hair right here, which is really weird. So, and these are my stress points. So when I'm stressed, my hair leaves right here, right? But I'm not stressed now, and I woke up with it like this, and I'm like, where is your hair? It's not here. Good morning. I'm actually filming this video in the morning, so, and I think when I upload it, it will be morning for you as well, depending on where you are in the world. But welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to do a video on how I became a model and give some tips. Now, I've been getting this question a lot lately, as well as how I started branding myself, so I'm going to do a video on that as well, but we're going to focus on modeling today. Alright guys, so I posted a few weeks ago that now when everybody is so low, you can take your hobby and make it your main source of income, or you can try to put more time in your hobby, or like, you know, develop a skill, etc. So a lot of persons have been messaging me about modeling. Now for me, I started about some years ago when I was about 16, but it's been a rocky road. I mean, I've heard so many things like, oh, your bottom is too big, you cannot model, and you know, you're kind of slim thick, because you know, who know me from then know I was a bit thicker, but I made it when I was thick. So how I started was, I knew photographers. If you know me a long time, I used to do makeup. I knew photographers from doing makeup, and I just started shooting because they're like, oh, your face fit for it, whatever. So I just started shooting with persons who I knew. So that's how I built my portfolio. My advice to persons now is find a photographer you know is upcoming, as well as you are upcoming, and you guys can exchange in terms of, you get pictures for your portfolio, they get pictures for their portfolio. Reach out to them, propose this to them, and then you can start shooting. Alright, so that's where I started from. I moved to Kingston, and my looks did help me because a lot of persons thought I looked like Nicki Minaj, and this is how I got known in Kingston. And I got signed into a talent agency, which they put my face out, as well as I was doing other shoots by myself with photographers who knew me from doing shoots in St. Anne. So they've always wanted to work with me, and I started going around working with different photographers. So at this point, I'm not getting paid. I was just doing it on my free time. No matter how early I had to wake up to do a shoot on a photographer's time, I wanted to do it in order to build my portfolio. So now after doing that, I started getting gigs from the talent agency, and those gigs really did help because persons wanted to work with my face. It was a fresh face in the area, and brands always want fresh face as well. After working with the agency for a while, I felt like I was being not really held back, but I didn't want to go on auditions anymore because I knew my potential, and I know persons who I could work with directly rather than going on auditions, because you know, with an agency you audition and you might not get the role, you get the role, and I felt like I was wasting a lot of my time doing these auditions. Even though it was exposing me, I wanted to just cut to the chase because I was somewhat known already, so I wanted to just cut to the chase and started to work. Now this is when I actually reached out to other persons to manage me and actually get me the parts who could sell me, and as well as I started selling myself. So this is when branding come into play. So I was working with someone who taught me about, you know, the background of your images that you post, and like how you present yourself. Post a picture that there's not a lot going on in the background, but the focus is on you. So when somebody asks for you, they can go on your page and directly see what you are about. moving on from there, I got some exposure there. I started getting direct bookings and I just started to work. So that's basically like a short story of how I started up in this. Now, as I said before, my first tip is to reach out to photographers. Don't be shy, reach out, because you have to start somewhere, you know. So don't be shy, reach out. And each photographer I worked with, I learned more. I learned how I should position my body. Even though it feels awkward to me, it looks good on camera. I learned how to set my head, how to set my lips, you know, how to rest your face. And this lead me into another tip. No, I've been watching American Next Top Model since I was probably like 8 or something. So I've been watching that show for a really long time, and that show teach me a lot. So my next tip is do some research and then practice in front of your mirror. So do the research, watch videos, go on YouTube, watch how other models, you know, do their work. A day in my life as a model, you can go on videos like those and you see how they operate, how they shoot. So you watch these, you get inspiration, and then you go in front of your mirror and you practice. No, practice makes perfect. I go in front of photographers now and they're like, you want warm up? I was like, no, I'm ready, because I know how my face should look because I practice in front of the mirror. Now this is a problem a lot of photographers have, is that persons don't know, they don't get into the mood quick enough, and over time you will learn, because everybody have to start somewhere. But practicing in front of your mirror really does help. So you can sit in front of your mirror, practice your face expressions, you know, stand in front of your mirror, practice your poses, and try to point your body. No, this is very important with learning how to pose in front of the camera, is learn to point your body. And learn how to let your body look as long as possible. Now I am 5'2", and a lot of persons see me in real life and they're like, oh, I say it's short. I'm like, yes, I am short, but I learned how to point my body, angle my body, and let my limbs look longer. Be respectful of other person's time. So if somebody is helping you to reach where you want to go, be respectful of their time. So if they tell you 3 o'clock, just be there 3 o'clock. And just know it's a lot of work to get where you want. It's not, oh, let me get paid today. No, I've done so many shoots I did not get paid for, and then I started getting paid, which, I mean, it's not much, but it's something. But put yourself out there. Don't look on what you're getting now, but what it can be. So when I just started out, I did shoots after shoots after shoots after shoots, and I did not get paid until those same photographers who I was shooting with put my image out, and if somebody asks, they can put me to the person, you know, sell me to the person. Being on time is important, because you're going to show the photographer that you are interested, that you do care, and those photographers can then vouch for you. You know, when brands ask about you, they can vouch for you, about your character. So that is very important. So now, because you know the person it's free. Do your work, do it properly, and then that person can sell you to a brand that they know. Because a lot of my work come from photographers who know. God, the hand gestures. A lot of my work come from photographers that I know, who know persons, and then I get paid. So it's very important that you present yourself in a way that you want the photographer to talk about you, or even just persons around you talk about you, to suggest you to somebody to work for them. Fourth and final tip is take care of your body. You know you want to be a model. I'm not saying you should be extra slim or not eat right because you know you're thick already, but take care of your body. It's important for me. Skincare is important, so I eat the way I want it to show on my skin. Now, some persons may not have the best skin naturally, so you find something that works for you that can work on your skin. Right now I'm using some 100% shea butter with tea tree oil because I do get chest acne, back acne, and then I know I get acne in my face, my natural form today, but I know I do get acne in my face, so I been through a lot of products and I just kept trying until I found something that works for me. I'm going to link my skincare video down below, face care video down below, and you can try those products if you want. But take care of your body, you know, because a lot of photographers, it's work to edit, so you're going to want to take care of your body as best as possible so you can sell your body to that person. That sounds weird, but I mean sell your body in terms of your body is already good, so a photographer will be like, I like working with her because her body is okay already, and they don't have much work to do. So take care of your body, learn to present yourself as that person. Persons can see and just be like, oh, this is what you do, you know. So just take care of your body. So that's my last tip. This video was quick, but I was getting to the point because I did not want to have it dragged out and you do not get the information you're supposed to. So yeah, persons who weren't asking and just come up on this video, I hope it was of some help to you, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, so I'm supposed to have an upload in about a week time after this video. A lot of persons are asking for it, so guys, just wait. I could not upload until the official video for the company I worked with uploaded their video as well, so stay tuned guys.